Some bottle tops. And some dried peas and lentils. You'll also need some sticky white PVA glue and a piece of cardboard. Now, to start making your junk picture, like this one here, take your piece of cardboard and start placing your bits of junk on top. Now, you can arrange your bits any way you like. It's up to you.
Wake me up inside! Can't wake up! Wake me up inside! Save me! Come on in and save me! Run! This I want to run! Before I come and save me! Calling on the nothing I become!
Doesn't it look great? And you can try lots of other designs too. You could paint the background first, like this blue one here. Or you could place all of your junk really tightly together to create a different effect, like this one. Now all of my junk has a new home, and there's loads of room in my drawers.
Send help, my nan is getting raped.
Thank you.